In the heart of West Africa, amidst the vast savannah and towering dunes of the Sahara, lay the bustling city of Timbuktu. This legendary city, now a symbol of mystery and adventure, once flourished under the rule of the mighty Songhai Empire. In the 15th century, the Songhai Empire, under the wise and powerful ruler, Askia Mohammad, began to expand its territories, reaching the pinnacle of its power. Timbuktu, the intellectual capital of the empire, became a beacon of knowledge and culture in the region. The city was filled with scholars from all over the world, attracted by the grand mosques, the libraries filled with ancient manuscripts, and the universities that taught theology, mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. Timbuktu was indeed a city of learning. However, as the empire grew, so did its enemies. In 1591, the Moroccan ruler, Ahmad al-Mansur, launched an invasion, aiming to claim the wealth and knowledge of Timbuktu for himself. The Battle of Tondibi was fierce, but the Songhai forces, led by Askia Ishaq II, fought bravely. Yet, the Moroccan army, equipped with modern firearms, proved to be a formidable opponent. The Songhai Empire was forced to retreat, and the city of Timbuktu fell. The once great empire was now in ruins, its glory fading away. The fall of the Songhai Empire marked the end of an era. Timbuktu, once a city of learning and culture, was reduced to a mere footnote in history. But the legacy of the Songhai Empire lived on, its influence felt in the region for centuries to come. The city's libraries, though plundered, continued to hold a wealth of knowledge, waiting to be rediscovered. The scholars of Timbuktu, though scattered, continued to teach and share their wisdom. The spirit of the Songhai Empire, the spirit of learning and culture, continued to shine. Thus, the story of the Songhai Empire serves as a reminder of the ephemeral nature of power, the enduring power of knowledge, and the resilience of the human spirit. The city of Timbuktu, though no longer a mighty empire, continues to inspire history enthusiasts and scholars alike, a testament to the enduring legacy of a golden age.